The good news is that the stay-at-home orders are working. We are seeing fewer people going to the hospital with new cases of COVID-19 here in New York. However, there is some confusion among those health officials. First, they say we're going to see a devastating case of COVID-19 in the fall. Now the CDC director is walking back those comments, and President Trump saying we may not even see a round two at all. On Tuesday, the Washington Post published some concerning comments from CDC Director Robert Redfield. In the report, Redfield said, "There's a possibility that the assault of the virus on our nation next winter will actually be even more difficult than the one we just went through. We're going to have the flu epidemic and the coronavirus epidemic at the same time." But President Trump wasted no time questioning the statement. Hours after the story was published, Trump tweeted, "CDC director was totally misquoted by fake news CNN on COVID-19. He will be putting out a statement." Again, the quote came from the Washington Post, not CNN, and today Redfield said this.
I think it's really important to emphasize what I didn't say. I didn't say that this was going to be worse. I said it was going to be more complicated or more difficult and potentially complicated because we'll have flu and coronavirus circulating at the same time.
Redfield acknowledged that the quote was accurate, but raised some questions about the headline of the article. He went on to say that his comments were meant to urge people to get their flu shot, not to warn them about round two of the coronavirus. President Trump took it one step further.
Might not come back at all.
But Dr. Anthony Fauci, director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease, seemed confident as he contradicted the president.
We will have coronavirus in the fall.
I would say this is not a one and done.
Dr. Anthony Santella, an associate professor of public health at Hofstra University, agreed with Dr. Fauci. Santella, who specializes in infectious disease, says we won't be done with COVID-19 until we have the proper tools to stop it.
There really is no end in sight until we have COVID-specific treatment, COVID-specific vaccine, and are able to maintain capacity not only for testing of the infection, but also antibody testing. And all of those are question marks right now.
And Dr. Fauci said that while he is confident we will see the coronavirus this fall, he says it's way too early to tell the impact because that's going to depend on how Americans respond. He says if we keep social distancing and develop those tools that Dr. Santella mentioned, then we're going to be able to fight back the second wave of COVID-19 the same way we're able to fight back the first wave right now. Reporting live from Kips Bay, Joe Messeri, Pix 11 News.